Well, now AIADMK has replied back. It has made a scathing attack on Vijay about his comments yesterday. Now, AIADMK has said that Vijay is actually the person who is responsible for the 41 crore deaths. Remember the stampede that took lives of 41 people during his rally. AIADMK has also said that Vijay shut down the TVK headquarters because he was scared of getting arrested. AIADMK has also mocked Vijay's slave to the center jibe which he made yesterday during his rally for the AIADMK and has said that Vijay was the one who used to stand with folded hands in front of Jayalalitha, the AIADMK former Supremo. In fact, the party says that Vijay used to lobby for his films in front of Jayalalitha. Now joining us for more on this once again is India Today's Apurva Jayachandran. Apurva, of course the answer had to come back, but here they are saying that it is Vijay who was standing with folded hands in front of Jayalalitha when he wanted to promote his films.
That's right, Anjali. In fact, if you do see there, this film in question, time and again, we're talking about films of Thalapathy Vijay. This last film as well, Jananayagan, which is still in court with the movie certification that is pending. We've seen a lot of talks that have been risen up politically when it comes to this film, which is touted to be, TVK chief Vijay's last film before he takes that final plunge into politics. And yesterday, we saw how Vijay had very categorically given a strong statement saying that there won't be any allies, be it with the DMK or be it with the AIADMK and its allies there, calling them nothing but, parties who are trying to get into alliances out of fear. That's what he has called AIADMK and the PMK and other alliances currently in the NDA talks that are going on here in Tamil Nadu when it comes to the opposition AIADMK stand. But AIADMK has strongly retorted back, wherein they said that just a couple of years earlier, they saw the very same Vijay, who is now the TVK chief, who had gone ahead with folded arms asking about, the release of this particular movie in which, he was starring, which had a lot of legal connotations on it, which is why there was a delay in the release of the film. And we saw TVK chief there, Vijay, who was, who is one of the big Tamil superstars here. He had gone ahead and he had pleaded with folded hands. Did Vijay forget all of these instances that took place in reality, or is this nothing but a dream that he has, he's awaiting to get, awake from, is what the AIADMK has gone on and stated. Strong statements coming in there from the AIADMK, which is in a way kind of essentially reminding Vijay where he was before he started his political party and what he had done for the release of his films there and how he had bowed down earlier to ruling governments is what the AIADMK has gone ahead and stated. They're saying if Vijay can talk about leaders from the AIADMK and the India Alliance bowing down to the BJP, then let's also not forget how Vijay had, borne down and had, two ruling governments there
Right.
just for his film release. So it's a stark contradiction and a comparison that the AIADMK is drawing to the speech that was made by Thalapathy Vijay, the TVK chief, at his cadres meeting in
Right.
Mamallapuram yesterday.
Right.
Anjali.
Thank you, Apurva, for that detailed analysis of this incident. So let's try and understand what did Vijay say yesterday. So the actor turned politician Vijay has made a dramatic solo pitch ahead of the Tamil Nadu polls, declaring that his party, the TVK, will contest without any alliance. In a fiery speech, Vijay rejected tie-ups with DMK, AIADMK, BJP and Congress, saying he will not compromise on his policies. He accused the DMK of being an evil force and the AIADMK of a slave force, alleging that both have surrendered to the BJP. Vijay said, rising public faith in TVK gives him the confidence that his party can win on its own, calling on supporters to overthrow the corrupt government. Vijay told cadres that his army is enough to take on the political giants of Tamil Nadu. AIADMK has hit back strongly at Vijay, dismissing his remarks as mere theatrics. AIADMK claimed that Vijay's comments won't resonate with the people and said that he can keep dreaming of becoming chief minister.
இந்த தீய சக்தியா இருக்கட்டும், இந்த ஊழல் சக்தியா இருக்கட்டும், ரெண்டு பேரும் தமிழ்நாட்டை ஆண்டவை கூடாது. அப்படிப்பட்ட இந்த கட்சிகளை உண்மையா தில்லா எதிர்க்கிற அந்த கட்ஸும் கெத்தும் நம்ம கிட்ட மட்டும்தான் இருக்கு. அதனால நீங்க என்ன சூழ்ச்சி நம்ம மேல பண்ணாலும், என்ன அழுத்தம் நீங்க கொடுத்தாலும், இந்த அடங்கி போறதுக்கோ, இந்த அண்டி பொழைக்கிறதுக்கோ, இல்ல இந்த அடிமையா இருக்கிறதுக்கால நாம அரசியலுக்கு வரல. என் மண்ணுக்கும் மக்களுக்கும் யார் என்ன தீங்கு செஞ்சாலும் அதை எதிர்த்து அவங்க கிட்ட இருந்து நம்ம மக்களை பாதுகாக்கிறதுக்காக தான் நம்ம அரசியலுக்கே வந்திருக்கிறோம். அண்ட் முக்கியமா தோழர்களே, மக்களுக்கு என் மேல மட்டும் நம்பிக்கை இருந்தா அது பத்தாது. என் கூட டிராவல் பண்ற என்னோட எல்லா தோழர்கள்கிட்ட அந்த நம்பிக்கை வரணும். அதுவும் இந்த படை, நம்மளுடைய இந்த டிவிகே படை, நட்பு சக்தி இருந்தாலும் இல்லைனாலும் தனியாவும் நின்று கெத்தா ஜெயிக்கிற அளவுக்கு ஒரு மிகப்பெரிய படை. அதுலயும் ரொம்ப முக்கியமா இன்னைக்கு இந்த கூட்டத்துக்கு வரலனாலும்,
our MGR also used to speak in a succinct way, very short but very sweet and very effective speech. MGR used to give you, of course in Tamil, whereas our leader, the kind of speech he gave was so brave, and you know, like especially one statement what he made, that he will not touch even one paisa of the money. He doesn't want it, like he already has it and he's not interested in it. Like that's so inspiring, you know. I don't think anybody from ADMK or DMK or even for that matter even Congress or anybody, I don't think they can ever say that today. Of course he's going to become the CM in 2026. I pray to God, okay.
Actor Vijay is still not out of his acting, I guess. He still makes statements to get few claps and whistles, making the below belt remarks without even understanding the political climate and atmosphere and the functions and achievements of a political party. Clearly indicates that they are still a baby, a political startup which is still taking baby steps. These statements of heroic statements may find whistles and claps among his fans, but not with the armed janata and common men of Tamil Nadu.